They call us gorillas, we brawling you in coffins with killers. You at the auction, I'm bossing, smoking cigars at the dealer. Nigga, I'm iller, count Skrilla like casinos, only Cinos and Nova. I'm a cancer nigga, no chemo, I'm dancing with satanic people. Life is illegal, I'm heroin in the needle. My emotions are see-through, I'm evil. Read your palm before dawn and spawn. Calm before the storms, Katrina, nigga, I'm drawn. Too much to handle in seconds, I manhandle the peasant. Dismantle is pleasant, turning hell to my heaven. I excel with my brethren, giving birth to nuclear weapons. I'm shooting your henchmen. Every written verse is a lesson. I'm close to perfection. With rap, nigga, I'm flawless. I'm God's light, the type to illuminate in the darkness. Hand me the trophy, the gold medals and plaques. The torch is lit. I scorch your click, nigga, I'm back.
Yo, if I ain't on my grind, then I'm high, trying to take your check. I done hustled on the hottest block and I ain't break a sweat. AKs and texts make them vacate a set. If he ain't trying to pay his debt, then we gotta spray his neck. You can lay the rest, nigga, this is Murderville. Now smell the essence of the L, nigga, this is earth for real. Fuck a bitch, I leave a nigga burn for real. Signed to the streets, but the judge ain't served a deal. I just turn the wheel, hit a back block and wait for a pussy to creep. Give him a back shot, now sing a lullaby. Sorry mama, I'm mangled and I'm about to catch a motherfucking homicide. This bitch named Karma got me going crazy and it's fucking high. Don't wanna go away, I'm like an addict in this fucking prime lit. Trying to get a hit, hungry for this money. If it's tension in the room, then you know it's coming from me.
We pull them Glocks out, we about to make a change. One to wipe your block out, guaranteed to hit your frame. This'll hit the vein, the official pistol game. Pharaoh click a nigga sicker, quick enough to split your brain. We pull them Glocks out, we about to make a change. One to wipe your block out, guaranteed to hit your frame. This'll hit the vein, the official pistol game. Pharaoh click a nigga sicker, quick enough.
My rap will give you fucking brain cancer. Different question, cousin, same answer. Y'all motherfuckers made me scrap like I was Kane's dancer. But there's a method to my madness, unusual still. They call me Pistol Pete Maravich, moving the pill. We push a lot of everything, but it's usually krill. We use a lot of weaponry when you